Hello everybody, this is Priyamada Azad from Enlightened with Divine Guidance. I am very much ready and excited to share some guidance from Pick a Card reading for this month of December 2021 for all of us. Okay, so some may resonate, some may not. It is totally fine. I request you all to just, if you would like to share something positive, I am so much open to receive. Let's not use any low vibration frequency under the comment section. We are here to share love. Okay, so here we go. This is your Pick a Card reading. So I am going to pick 7 cards, general messages from the universe through the angels, connecting with the energies 1 to 7. Okay, so just be prepared and connect with the number that you would like to go with and hear your messages. Okay. For number 1, here we go. Okay, I see you receiving offers or starting with some new project, some new assignment, maybe a small one, but you should take it because this will help your business grow. I heard it. Also, this card indicates new relationship, something called connection with someone new in your life, which is very beautiful. Page of Pentacles. Okay, so those who have chosen number 1, this is for you. Number 2. Okay, those who have chosen number 2, avoid doing multitasking. Sometimes you think you are very much responsible and you take too many work at a time, and later you feel very stressed out. Don't do that. Okay, share your work with your maybe family members or employees if it is about your workplace. Divide your work. Do not do everything all alone. Okay, go one by one with things. You definitely need help or support, cooperation from others. Okay, do not give a lot of pressure to yourself. Be more gentle with yourself. Okay, so number 3 goes, oh, okay. Maybe it is you or your partner, more of your partner, who expresses less of his or her feelings. And I also see a rich man, businessman, who is doing very good. Don't try to force this person. If you are expecting something, let's just learn to keep our expectations aside and practice more of being grateful for the presence of this person in your life. Okay, I believe you understand, because it is more of your journey, not the other person's journey. They are doing his own or her own. It is your journey. So try not to force that person to meet your expectations, right? Later you will see things are falling into place. The more you give attention to yourself, this will reflect and you will see growth, and others are also giving you more attention when you are doing it with yourself. Okay, this was the 3rd card, and let's go with the 4th card. Okay, you are looking forward for some financial growth, and this is a bit slow going on with you. However, remember, you are a soldier, you're a warrior, and things going to resolve, things going to fall into place. You just need to have more patience and love and understanding and be prepared. I'm sure you're not giving up on things. Be prepared. You will move. Maybe slow growth. I believe by 2022 you will be able to see some growth. If not, do some meditation. Also, I heard The type of words you are using regularly about your money, replace them with some positive words. I mean to say, financially, just tell yourself it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, this too shall pass, it's fine. Accept the situation and let yourself grow. The more you feel disappointed, the more you will attract more worthful situations, right? So better just prepare yourself. Be prepared. There will be a time when you will see your life is moving to the right direction. You are supposed to mentally be prepared for this and be very positive. Believe in your dreams. I heard it. Believe in your dreams. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is here. Okay. This card signifies you need to disconnect yourself from a sort of addiction. If you're addicted to talk to a person all the time, talk a bit less if it is possible, and you could get more time to do something else, maybe more important things. There are more important things in your life. For some people, I heard, if you are very much addicted, having caffeine or alcohol, or you smoke, no matter what it is, remember this could lead you to ill health. So please take care of your energies and disconnect. Also, this card signifies spend some quality time with your partner. Go for a date with your partner. The regular thing that you are repeatedly doing, try to do something new or change the routine. Like, do not repeatedly do the same thing every day. You need to break a certain pattern in your life right now. This card is asking to break a pattern. Okay? This chain signifies that you are too attached with it. Amethyst is a very good crystal to practice, to disconnect with any kind of addictions if you have. 5. Number 6 is here. Okay. Number 6 says take stand for your belief. If you believe this is going to work for you, just stay there, be positive and hold on. Also, I see there are people who doesn't believe in you and you are trying to prove them. You can do anything you want, but don't get affected by the situation. You know you're strong enough to do it. Continue. You have courage enough. You have enough courage. Continue, but do not get affected by them. Right? Taking stand for your own belief. 6. Number 7 is here. Okay, the last card says balance. Health-wise, please take care of your health. If you need some guidance, it could be reading or it could be advice, or if you need to see a doctor, do not just ignore if there are any health issues going on. Are you going through acidity, indigestions? The first thing I would suggest is meditation. Definitely meditation. Medicine for this era is not the only solution. The best is to start connecting with your true powers and sit and do meditation. Also, I think you should go and connect with someone who is professional. No matter what area it is, it could be your relationship, it could be your health, it could be your monetary thing. You need some professional help, guidance from somebody who is educated enough to give you the right advice. Also doctor, if it is about doctor. I see both positive and negative energies, both the sides. So please take care of your energy circle. Do some healing work if possible, if you know healing, or at least some positive affirmations. and take care of this acidity thing which I got. You are unable to digest people or situation. You need to just calm yourself and tell yourself it is okay, I accept them, and I accept my situation. I'm ready for change, I am ready for growth. See, 2022 is very close to us, and we always have time to break certain patterns and choose growth, right? So please everybody, one thing is common: you definitely need some positive affirmations, positive attitude, and positive vibration, which will actually going to create positive vibrations in your life. Okay, I believe this reading will definitely going to help you. Please take care of yourself, your energy circle, right? Lots of divine love and blessings. Bye bye.